Okay, welcome back everybody to day 14 of the Daily Red Heart Pattern series. Today is day 14, which means it's February 14th, which furthermore means that it's Valentine's Day. So I've got some fun, cute Valentine's free patterns from Red Heart / Yarnspirations. So the first one we're going to look at is the Red Heart Splendor Scarf pattern. And I'm just going to open it up to kind of show you. It's kind of interesting how this is put together. So this is probably not something that I would want to wear to work or while out shopping. It really is just kind of something, in my opinion, that's just for fun. Um, but it is kind of cute how it's constructed and put together. So it says, crochet this stunning scarf in a variety of heartwarming pink shades. Might even be fun to do it in other colors as well, I think. It's cute. Okay, let's move on to our next free pattern from Red Heart. Okay, I really like this next one. This is called the Red Heart Be My Valentine Throw. And I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to go ahead and open that right up. Okay, the Red Heart Be My Valentine Throw. This is really pretty simple. Show affection with this easy crochet throw and red heart with love. So they used the red heart with love yarn, but I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so we can take a closer look. Now these hearts I believe are done separately and then sewn on, but the pattern itself is really simple. It just uses double crochets and V-stitches. That's really it. It's really very simple to make. Oh, and you have a shell stitch border. So that's all there is to it. It's just adorable. I really like it a lot, and it looks super easy and fun to make. All right, I'm going to move on to the next one, which is another blanket idea. Now, this one is really interesting. So this is called the Warm My Heart Throw, and it's really neat how it's put together. And I am actually going to open up the pattern so you can see. Okay, so the Warm My Heart throw. This heart-shaped throw is perfect for giving to someone you love. Make it for your own bed or sofa in these warm-hearted colors, or choose other colors that make you feel good. So I'm going to scroll down the pattern just a little bit because it has this really nice diagram so we can see how it is put together. Okay, so here is the diagram, and you'll notice that it's made up of different motifs, and there's a lot of triangles and a lot of squares, and the squares have the heart built into them. But it's really neat how it's put together here. All these different triangles and squares. So I'm going to guess this is an intermediate level. Let me just check. Yeah, skill level is intermediate. So this is for the more experienced crocheter. All right, moving on. What else do we have? Oh, these are so much fun. Okay, so these are the Hearts of Palm crochet pattern using Red Heart Super Saver Ogo yarn. Hearts of Palm. That's kind of a funny name. I'm not really sure what it means. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand what they mean by Hearts of Palm. I noticed that they have little what look to be pom-poms all around them. Now, of course, these are not pom-poms, but they look like pom-poms. So this is listed as skill level of easy. Practice simple shaping on this crochet pillow from Red Heart Super Saver Ogo. Yeah, these are really cute. I could see these in a little kid's room. I could see these in a dorm room. I could see these decorating a sofa at Valentine's Day time. Look at all the different colors they've used. Ooh, look at that one. Very nice. So this looks like just super fun. Super fun little project. And like I said, it is easy and it is free. What could be better? All right, let's move on to our next pattern. We've got just 2 left. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Christmas is over. I don't want to see Christmas. However, a lot of people keep their Christmas trees up and reuse them for other holidays, such as Valentine's Day. I know a few people who actually have Valentine's Day trees and they decorate it with all red and white stuff, and they're really pretty. And in the winter time, at least here in the Northeast, it's so dark, and it's really nice to have the extra light of the Christmas tree, and it just gives it, kind of a homey feel. But, obviously it's not Christmas anymore. So what can we do? We can decorate our trees with other holiday stuff to keep that, that feel of coziness and extra light in our homes. So these are really pretty, and I think that these would be pretty on a Christmas tree, but they'd also be really pretty like on a Valentine's Day tree. These are also listed at the skill level of easy, and I think these would be really fun for Valentine's Day. And continuing with that same idea, look at this. This is actually a Christmas tree skirt. I understand that. It says Holiday Hearts tree skirt, but it doesn't say which holiday. It could definitely be for Valentine's Day, right? Okay, so add handcrafted love to your Christmas decor with a wonderful tree skirt. But it doesn't have to be Christmas. You could even make this in white with red hearts, or red with white hearts, or even pinks. It doesn't have to be just Christmas. I think this could totally be for your Valentine's Day tree. I don't know. Let me know what you think of that idea. I think it's kind of a fun idea. Okay, so that wraps it up for my ideas for Valentine's Day, day number 14. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it for you, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 15. Who knows what free patterns we will have tomorrow? You'll just have to check back and find out. All right, have a great night. Bye bye.